to Future Cars Updates, the channel where we explore the latest and most exciting vehicles coming your way. Today we're diving into the 2025 BYD Atto 3, a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. BYD, or Build Your Dreams, has been making waves in the automotive industry with its commitment to innovation, and the 2025 Atto 3 is no exception. This compact SUV is designed to offer a blend of style, performance, and advanced technology, making it a strong contender in the growing EV market. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Atto 3 boasts a sleek and modern exterior that's sure to turn heads. Its aerodynamic lines, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights give it a futuristic and aggressive stance. The design isn't just about looks though. It's also functional, with the car's aerodynamics optimized to improve efficiency and range. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, the Atto 3 is powered by BYD's latest Blade battery technology. This battery promises not only an impressive range but also enhanced safety. Expect the Atto 3 to deliver around 300 to 350 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city driving and longer road trips. And with fast charging capabilities, you'll be back on the road in no time. Performance-wise, the 2025 Atto 3 doesn't disappoint. The electric motor provides instant torque, giving you that exhilarating acceleration that EVs are known for. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Atto 3 offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Inside, the 2025 Atto 3 is all about comfort and technology. The cabin is spacious and filled with high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which offers everything from navigation to entertainment at your fingertips. Plus, with advanced driver assistance systems, the Atto 3 makes driving not only enjoyable but also safer. One of the standout features of the Atto 3 is its commitment to sustainability. BYD has made significant strides in using eco-friendly materials in the car's construction, and of course, being an EV, it contributes to reducing our carbon footprint. In terms of pricing, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is expected to be competitively priced, making it accessible to a wider audience. With its blend of style, performance, and technology, it's set to be a popular choice among EV enthusiasts. That's all for today's look at the 2025 BYD Atto 3. If you're as excited about the future of electric vehicles as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Future Cars Updates.